Can public speaking be taught online? My name is Mitch Carson. I'm often asked, in this video we're going to discuss and reveal whether you can or you can't and how effective it is to learn online. The answer is yes. Can you learn how to become a speaker with an online course? Well, let me make some clarification here. An online course is one thing where there are pre-recorded videos and dispensed and you consume the information. That's okay. I have trained many speakers via Zoom, where they present to me in front of the camera and I immediately critique them. We do full body shots. It's consulting over the net when location is a challenge, geography is a challenge. They're far away or I'm out speaking somewhere that I can't be with them one-to-one. So it is, because of technology today, you can learn online via web, and there are trainings. Many valuable trainings are available. I have an online course, which is components of what I do live in my speaking mastery programs, which you can purchase online. Is it as good as being one-to-one, face-to-face? No. But you can learn a ton and you can practice if you're disciplined. So it is possible to learn online. A lot of the principles, a lot of the techniques, you can get good information from online platforms. I have one as well, but the best is one-to-one or in a group with a qualified instructor, someone that has been there and can correct you live, record you live, critique you live. That way you improve immediately. So it can be done, but let's go in person.